Echelon Smart Connect Bike Exap the pros, the cons. Everyone talks about Peloton, but here's the surprising truth: the Echelon Smart Connect Bike X offers a very similar experience for a fraction of the price. It's designed to bring high-energy, connected cycling workouts into your home. But how does it really stack up? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Echelon X delivers an impressive, smooth ride thanks to its magnetic resistance system and sturdy design. With 32 levels of resistance, you can easily customize the intensity for everything from recovery rides to full-on sprints. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. You can pair the bike with your own tablet or smartphone using the Echelon Fit app, giving you access to thousands of live and on-demand classes including cycling, yoga, strength training and stretching. The instructors are motivating, and the leaderboard adds a fun, competitive element. Another advantage is price. The X is significantly more affordable than competitors like Peloton or Nordic Track, yet still offers a premium feel and feature set. Its adjustable seat and handlebars make it comfortable for riders of all sizes, and it's compact enough for home use. Now for the cons. Because the X doesn't come with a built-in screen, you'll need your own device to stream workouts. The Echelon Fit app also requires a paid membership, and without it, the bike's functionality is quite limited. Some users note that the app's interface isn't as polished as Peloton's, which might affect the overall experience. In conclusion, the Echelon Smart Connect Bike X is a fantastic option for anyone who wants an immersive, connected cycling experience without the hefty price tag. It combines affordability, performance, and flexibility into a well-rounded package. While it lacks some of the premium polish of its rivals, it delivers solid results and motivation for riders at any fitness level.